This is a quick example of forecasting in database using Snowpark, specifically using an example that Felipe Hoffa from the Snowpark team created and applying some of the stuff I learned from Chris Hasty's excellent UDF guide. So here are the steps. I want to do some forecasting on some data that exists in database, and I want the computation to run in Snowflake. Great. Step 1, define our function locally. This is super basic. I've got this import, pmdarima. I did need to install this with pip in my local environment, but once done, I make my basic function, copying directly from Felipe's code. Here we go. We've got the basic model. It's not a great model. We're getting some warnings. Hey, it's not fitting that well, but that's okay. This is just an example. Step 2 is to register the UDF, and I'm using the template here from Chris's post. Specifically, we need to call out what the input and return types are. So our input type will be an array as well as an integer, and then a return type will also be an array. We'll name this function Snowpark simple arima, and we need to make sure we highlight that we're passing in a specific package, in this case just one, the pmdarima package. We'll go ahead and register that with Snowflake by executing this command. And now we can start running our forecasting. We can tell, right here's our SQL statement, select, calling our function, our UDF, and getting back predictions. Let's make some adjustments to this, and we can continue to iterate and run. So a very basic example, we created the forecasting model locally, we registered it with Snowpark via UDF, and now we can execute these computations in database.